SMK USJ12 is situated in Subang Jaya, Selangor, a school of excellence and pride. Within its 36 classrooms are students who strive to be the best.
Every year, students waste lots of papers just to brighten up the classrooms with decorations, duty rosters, and more on the notice boards. To overcome this problem, a group of pupils have come up with a solution.
Our product, the reused plastic duty roster, is an innovative design that can be used in the 21st century classroom. It is an 80 by 55 centimeter model that is made out of reused and recycled plastic materials. We have utilized plastic bottles and made the bottle caps into the days column. Then, using uniformly cut out pieces of plastic, rows of student names are formed. Finally, a whole plastic bottle is used to make the label. The base of the model is made from corrugated plastic sheets. See, we use 3D models to make it as the duty labels instead of the usual paper labels.
This innovation reduces the paper wastage by opting for recycled plastic material and can be customized however we like. One of the product's best quirk is that it can be reused, recycled, and even repaired because it does not tear or ruin as easily as paper.
As students refer to the duty roster every class, certainly they'll ask themselves, why plastic and not paper? That question will serve as a reminder of our natural crisis in plastic waste. Overall, the schools play a major role in implementing this idea in every classroom. The reused plastic duty roster, also known as RDR, will certainly instill values and bring awareness among students on protecting our planet from plastic waste. That is all from us. Thank you and see you next time.